What's up guys, welcome back to our video. In this video, I'll show you how to transfer money from Wise to Ria Money Transfer. So, if you're looking for a way to transfer your money from Wise to Ria Money Transfer here, well, there are a few things that you need to keep in mind here. Now, first, what is Wise and what is Ria Money Transfer? Now, both of these platforms allows you to transfer money to different recipients, maybe an e-wallet or let's just say a bank account. Now, if you're looking for a way to transfer to a Ria Money Transfer account, well, the answer to that and the direct answer to that is unfortunately there is no way for us to transfer via from Wise to Ria Money Transfer. Like what I said before, both of these platforms in this case allows you to make transfers, not actually receive them, which is something really unfortunate. Now, the only exception here is with Wise, because again, with Wise, you can actually create like actual accounts, or in this case, accounts for currencies that you hold here. So otherwise, you just can also send money to your Wise account here. But if you're transferring between Wise and into Ria, well, again, it's not possible. Now, if you really want to transfer to someone, well, you just need to proceed it by transferring via their bank account. So you could go and just proceed that via the Wise app itself. You just need to click on send here. And from then on, you just need to add the recipient, add their details, and specify how much you want to send in here. But yeah, but if you're going to ask again, if you can actually transfer from Wise to Ria, well, unfortunately, no, it's not yet possible. But in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.